Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start expanding your language skills with Speaky detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Speaky app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and create a new account. You can sign up using your email address or connect through your social media accounts. After registration, set up your profile by indicating the languages you want to learn and the languages you can teach. This will help connect you with language partners who have similar interests. Next, explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features. Check the Find Partners section to discover users looking to practice the same languages. You can use filters to refine your search based on language, location, or learning goals. Once you find a potential partner, send them a message to introduce yourself. In your message, mention your learning goals and suggest it. After connecting, schedule a video or voice call directly through the app. Prepare for your session by reviewing vocabulary or phrases you want to practice. During the call, take turns speaking in both languages for effective practice. Don't hesitate to ask questions or request clarification during conversations. After each session, reflect on what you learned and where you can improve. Consider setting regular practice sessions to maintain progress with your partner. Make use of the in-app resources and community forums for additional support. Finally, celebrate your milestones and enjoy the journey of language learning. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.